Hi, I'm Sabrina. I'm an architecture student from Switzerland, and I chose Bamboo U because I feel it is really an incredible and unique experience, an opportunity to learn about this amazing material from the best in the world. And I have to say, I did not get disappointed. The course is incredible. I can't even put it in words. What I really enjoyed was how much they kind of listen to you as a student or as a participant. So it's not just a fixed program, you learn so much, but then you can also put in your voice and your ideas. And we are actually building right now a project that we as students designed, and then we worked it out with an engineer that was here with Neil Thomas, and we're putting it in place right now. So I think that is an incredible opportunity to learn so much and to bring in your own design, and to really just be creative with this amazing material. So I would probably recommend this course to anyone who is interested in bamboo, no matter what background you have. But at the same time, I would also really tell anyone that is in architecture or design to take this course, no matter if you've ever heard about bamboo as a construction material or not, because it really widens your horizon and kind of makes you understand what is possible, and that is the world is really limitless. Thank you.